A prenuptial agreement, or a prenup for short, is a contract signed by two people before getting married to set out how their properties, businesses, assets, and debts will be divided during the marriage or in divorce. In Ohio, it's also known as an antenuptial agreement. In this video, we'll cover what Ohio law has to say about prenups, what prenups can and cannot include, and how to draft one that will stand up in court. Make sure to watch to the end of this video to grab a template for an Ohio prenuptial agreement. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos by eForms, the world's largest database of official legal documents. Let's look for a moment at what Ohio law says about prenups. Unlike many other states, Ohio has not adopted the Uniform Premarital Agreement Act, which establishes standard requirements for prenups. That means that Ohio state law dictates its own terms with regard to prenups. Ohio is unique in that it does not allow changes to be made to the prenup after the marriage. However, Ohio state law allows couples to put the agreement in writing after their marriage as long as they agree to certain terms before tying the knot. So what can and cannot be included in an Ohio prenuptial agreement? A prenup in Ohio can cover a variety of different issues, including the rights and obligations to property, assets, debts, as well as the terms of alimony, death benefits from life insurance, and more. While specific terms of child custody or support cannot be laid out in the prenup, it can designate a certain parent to pay the costs of maintaining the family home until the child turns 18. Ultimately, the courts reserve the right to determine child custody based on what's in the child's best interest at the time of the divorce. Next, let's go over how you can draft a prenup that will stand up in court. In Ohio, prenuptial agreements are typically upheld if the court decides that each spouse signed the agreement freely and voluntarily. All assets and liabilities were disclosed. Each spouse has a generally accurate picture of each other's finances. The terms of the agreement don't promote divorce. And lastly, the agreement must be reasonably fair at the time of the separation. For instance, the court may determine that a previously allotted alimony amount is unconscionably low due to a spouse's high income at the time of the divorce. You can get an agreement that will be accepted by an Ohio court at the link right here. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can access more videos that guide you through some of life's most complicated and potentially costly situations.